Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to unbox the Oppo A95, and this is a new mid-range phone from Oppo which is costing around 42,000 PKR in Pakistan market. In this price range we have 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. Also on the back we have some more specification about the phone. This phone has a 33W super fast charging. Also we have extended RAM feature on this phone. This phone has a 5000 mAh battery size. On the front we have a Full HD Plus AMOLED display which is a eye care display. Also on the color I have is the glowing rainbow silver color, and this phone is also manufactured in Pakistan, but I would say that the price of the Oppo A95 should be around 38,000 PKR. Without any wasting time, now let's quickly unbox the Oppo A95, and now let's talk about the processor of the Oppo A95. And this phone is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 chipset. Also we have a Adreno 610 GPU. For the processor of the Oppo A95, it is really average on this phone, not really good, not really bad. So now let's open this box like this. Again, here's the box in the blue color. Again we get one more mini box inside of this box. On the top we should see one more mini box, and you can see inside of this box we get a semi-ejection tool, I believe, as well as a silicone case. We get a semi-ejection tool. Also we get a quick start guide as well as a warranty card, all those things. Also we get a soft silicone case with the Oppo A95. That's really good thing. So here is the device, Oppo A95 in the glowing rainbow silver color. So now let's out the phone from this box. Again, and these are the main highlighting feature about the Oppo A95. Now first let me remove the plastic like this, and you can see here is the Oppo A95 looks like in the glowing rainbow silver color, and you can see on the back we have a gradient finish. Overall you can see this phone has on the top we have a blue color, on the bottom we have a pinkish, in the middle we have a purple in different lighting condition. This pack also give you a rainbow colors. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have 48 megapixel main camera. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. Now let's see what else we get. And then the phone, Oppo logo is here. Now let's see what else we get. And then the phone, and the first thing we got a charger, and you can see, and guys, and this is a 33W super fast charger, so that's really good thing. We got a charger in the box. Also we get a cable, and guys, and this is a USB type C to USB A cable, and that's really good thing. We get a USB type C cable. Also you can see we does not get any headphones in the box. Now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Oppo A95, and guys, now let's see the physical overview of this phone. On the bottom we have a speaker, USB type C port, main microphone, as well as headphone jack, and this phone only has a single speaker. On the left hand side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray. We should see a full-fledged SIM slot. You can see you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full-fledged SIM slot. We have a triple cameras. We have 48 megapixel main camera, and then we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. No ultra wide lens on the Oppo A95, and that's really disappointing as well. Although the back is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. On the right hand side we only have a power on a button because we have in-display fingerprint scanner on the Oppo A95. On the top we have nothing. And guys, now let's talk about the display of the Oppo A95. On the front we have 6.4 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with 60Hz refresh rate. I wish that we have 90Hz refresh rate or 120Hz refresh rate. This price range we mostly see 90Hz refresh rate minimum. On the top we also have a punch hole on the left hand side which looks really good, and the bezels around the display is also really small. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Oppo A95, and you can see. And guys, and the first impression about display quality, I have to say that again we have AMOLED display, so everything looks really good on this phone. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go to the about phone. Now let's see Android version. This phone is running on Android 11, but I would say that in 2022 we should see Android 12 on all the smartphones. Also we have ColorOS 11.1. Also we have extended RAM feature, and you can see maximum we have 5GB extended RAM feature. We have 128GB of internal storage out of 107GB. It is available for you guys. Now let's go back, and now let's go to the display. We does not get any high refresh rate display, although we have a low brightness, flicker free eye comfort feature on this phone. That's really good thing. Also, and this phone feels really light in hand, although we have 5000 mAh battery size. I would say that the weight balance is done really well on this phone. Now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone also has a in-display fingerprint scanner, and the location, I would say it is really average, not really good, not really bad. The fingerprint scanner, it is also work all the time. In my opinion, I didn't see any lag. Also the haptics, it is also really good on this phone. I didn't expect that. So now let's look at the camera. Again, on the back we have a triple cameras. We have 48 megapixel main camera, then we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. I don't know why we does not get any ultra wide on the Oppo A95, because the ultra wide, it is more useful as compared to the macro lens. On the front we have 16 megapixel main camera inside this punch hole. So here's the camera UI, and you can see again does not have any ultra wide, although we have a 2x, which is a digital zoom. Now let's see video recording size with the back camera, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We does not get any 4K. We also have a night mode, we also have a portrait mode, and you can see, and the shutter speed, it is also really fast. Now let's go to the mode section. We also have a slow motion, and guys, we also have a pro expert mode. We also have a macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back. Although the quality in this lighting condition, it is really bad. We also have a panorama, we also have a time lapse, we also have extra HD, and guys, and right there we also have a 48 megapixel mode. In the effects option, we does not get any AI color portrait feature on this phone. Now let's look at the front camera. On the front we have 16 megapixel main camera, and you can see, and the shutter speed, it is also really fast, no issue whatsoever. On the front we also have a portrait mode. Now let's see video recording size with the front camera, and the front camera also shoot full HD at 30 fps. On default it is on 720p, I don't know why. The front camera also has a night mode. Time lapse, it is also available with the front camera, but you can see that, and the slow motion, it is not available with the front camera, although we have panorama as well as a sticker feature. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size of the Oppo A95. Again, we have 5000 mAh battery size, and the device, it feels really light in hand. Although the 60 Hz refresh rate on this phone will be a good thing as far as the battery life are concerned. And guys, overall I have to say regarding the Oppo A95, and the cameras looks really promising on this phone, not the best in this price range. In this price range we have a Vivo V21e as well as the Samsung Galaxy A32, which give you more features in the camera department. That's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Oppo A95. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for daily tech videos, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.